This is completely a kind of physical fitness and play area. The students can come over here and get some kind of physical activities over there, and this is little of indoor, and here also gym, and oh, great. Uh, this is the gym. Student, the inmates of the hostels and also the students of Hangbang University, they can given a card to see the benefit first of the gym as a physical fitness center inside the same building of the Hangbang University. It's the 6th floor. This is what how it looks like, and जो बच्चे हेल्थ फिटनेस में रुचि रखते हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा मौका रहेगा कि बिकॉज उन्होंने आप दे कैन कम ओवर हियर एंड गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट along with the studies in the Hangbang universities. Thank you. And secondly, that is like courts bhi hai. I mean table tennis and also the badminton, and there are other places also there. It's a complete system. I mean they make it the entire university in the complete 24th building. So 24 floors have sort of kind of things there for you. I mean, all the physical activities are there. I think the boxing, they thought the boxing arena on that. I mean, this shows how the bolte ki if you are physical fit or mentally fit. If you are fit and physically, then you are also mentally fit. So this is what the as a Hangbang University they make a completely arrangement of the students who are studying in Hangbang universities. They can have these benefits of while studying in Hangbang University in Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam while doing MBBS. This is what the completely boxing area. I mean they can use it. जिसका पास बॉक्सिंग में रुचि रहता है they can do that. And let's go to this is also one recreation music. I mean music is a integral part of your it gives if I have a it is locked. This is music, dance, drama. They can do that, and I think this room is locked because they open it when it requires, and this is what how it looks like. So I'm signing up with the 6th floor now, and stay tuned. I'll be going to show you the different departments of Hangbang University. Any parent or family members, they want to come and stay here for just few days, so they can stay in the hotel that is called Sulian Hotel inside the campus in the 5th floor. So let's go inside. It looks very nice, like a star hotel. And yeah, this is what the floor, how it looks like from the outside. Wow, great. So this is what the Vinhom Tower is. One of the second tallest tower in the first tallest tower in Vietnam. The tallest building in Ho Chi Minh City, I can say. This is a kind of a cafeteria, and this is cafeteria, and the students can taste a kind of the food and stops over here, and oh, this is great, really great. They got store also available, mini stop. So I mean, we can get some essential items. If you student can have some essential items to buy, which is a very urgent essentials. They can buy it from here. Let's go inside. Oh.
Hey, you can't point picture.
जो एक यंग बच्चे को चाहता है कि बस पढ़ने के साथ कुछ मतलब रिफ्रेशिंग कुछ मिल जाए. आई मीन इन बिटवीन द क्लासेस के बीच में होते हुए. So food items, some snacks. So it's really nice. I mean बाहर जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. They can get it in the campus itself, and everything. Like essential items, they can do that. And right now, when going to a place like is a kind of a small. Oh, great! This is called a kind of a small sit-out area. You can. It's a small kind of sit-out area, and they can have some kind of hangout. And before after the classes, they made it very nicely, very meticulously. It's very spacious, and that looks like. Thank you.